Welcome to another episode with Blue Lagoon Tours, straight out of Portland, Jamaica with Trey Day and the team. Just watch and enjoy and respect for your support.
Morning people. I think I'm gonna come on right now. You see me? I think I'm gonna come on, man. Enough rain, see they want a spring fresh something right as well. Yeah. Rain non-stop. Couple days now what a rain. Yes, April. Last night taxi man bounced my boat kid somewhere right here, so he mother run go up there, so I eat and she don't know through rain. She must turn back across the road before the man slow down. In the end they fall hard where if you say a taxi man couldn't see. But you see on the stretch here from the end of the road, this come like one speeding zone. I tell you, see, so when I look at the speeding zone, anything in this zone I get knocked. So I look a kid get knocked. I just spray army thing to go up road the air car, but the battery did dead. So she get damage to her right side. Her right foot look broke. And she get one cut under her eye. And her right back leg get some bruise and something. So I spray it with screwworm so it not get infected, you know. Last time I did feel that way, man. I never want nothing to my goat, yo. Maca tree this, yes. So I cut down the tree here. So that's my project. Every now and then cut down some tree so the land can get sunlight. For ag meat spring up. Goat love them here. You see them there? And Spanish eagle. A goat favorite. So that's the objective. Now I go up on the road now because I go get about 50 plant and sucker. And I have another goat to get, a ram goat to put with them. So I see how best that can work out this morning. Yeah, peeps. So you know me there and thing. So big up on yourself until I show how I want to go on again. Yeah, peeps. So I get the ram goat now. So I plant man, me I try reach. Rain a fall and thing. Rain a fall and thing still. But it's a good look. I love the progress. So I get the goat the half my biggest mother in a yard. So you know that is a good look.
You have reached the
It stink of ram goat smell. I go down here still, you know. I plant, man. Yeah, peeps. Rain I go hard. And then I get to plant, man. So our next day that I do. Boy, see me never a cuss, so me know left no crab field. So I want to see if I can dig up 2 crab. You know. Dropping a lot wicked, you know. But that's a road need to sort out still. water so deep, you know. Oh, but right now the water cover the big pothole there, so you can imagine. So, right now my objective, let me tell you, piece of land I have, I want to get it surveyed and I want to get the title, because we inherit the land from my grandfather. And as I say, I want to plant it up and I want to build a local thing on it, you see me? So that now when we build that, I want to rent it out. So that's my pray. So right now I try to do as much as I can. I get up my goat and so I get a chainsaw. I know if you look at something I go on with, you see it. The very right moves me I make right now. And I just hope God give me strength to continue and give me the encouragement even through my downfalls. See, a taxi man bounced down my kid just because I speeded, you see me? Because one man already the back of him, you know, that man slow down, and I see him thing him and say taxi man could have slow down just ease. But no. See him say yesterday I see a man stop at hardware and buy something. And the bus man driver left him because what? The bus man nah wait. He can't wait. You see it? Yo, on the road still. Oh bastard. Rain and tears. That is it. Put on my four-way. Yeah, I see you already now. Oh, but rain and tear down here some more than up on me did a while ago. I love the weather you're still, you know, I not lie. I'm go up when I go look crab, no crocodile and run out back. But I have to go look to crab. I want to know people, I always do my things solo. You see me, because you think with me, you know. I not like, I know everybody I go in at the same thing with me, you know, have the same interests per se. You see me? So I start develop that mindset for alright. You have to kind of start do things by your own, because I'm not saying no interest either. Sometimes them just not have the time either. You see it? Your time after them time different. Free time, you know. So watch out. The whole time all this wash up and everybody, you know. But enough respect, you have some people overseas who support me still, you know. Help me out, send $100 come give me for help for pay the man for cut down the place and help clean up and for buy food so we can cook. Yeah. I have others where help in another way, not monetary way but other way. Someone give a shout out to them person, they enough respect, because when you see my vision, I want to help me. See me, I not going to forget them support they see it. I have a GoFundMe also for help towards what I do. So if anybody feel like they want to contribute, like people who know me, like I not ask if you contribute $1 million. Just contribute anything you feel like. You see me? If in the future me if do something for you, I don't want the money, just contribute towards that. You don't have to give me no cash. just put your contribution towards the GoFundMe, because it's a goal where me I try reach, you know. So that's my thing right now, my aim. So yeah, and it's a good thing. Me as a person, I don't like ask, because I don't like getting no. But I put that aside and say, you know what, GoFundMe. Same person will support me. I him set up a GoFundMe, because I there run it by him. And he said I could try and see. You see me? And I like say, I put the money to good use. You know, because I research where he GoFundMe for, you know. And him say for basically charity and it to get help basically. So yeah, while me I work towards too, kinda like say me not work or sit down. It's just that how me I work, me now go can reach the goal based on the income and something. So my thing is and for people who wonder about the tours, yo, tours now go on, rafting and boat tour now go on right now. You know what I mean? And that whole tour thing kind of complicated in a sense right now. So that I go on for that side. So yeah. Yeah, go wait up, you know. Alright, I know me and a piece of rum cake, you know. Yeah. So I go check them place, you know, and see what I go on. You know. Nah, joke. No joke. As you can see, enough water there go. The battery will drop. So you know enough water, I have to go through here now. But I just one battery me have peeps, so if anything, I have to go pause here and when I catch something then I show you what I go on, you know. So I can see one day. Oh, already. already. Oh, hold it there. Bumbo cleat. I'm gone. You let off all and two of them and gone. See two of them there. Well, just hope no crocodile there, you know. That's all I can say. Look out of me, yeah, good. So one they let off all and two of them and gone. 4 and 2 of them. That's why I feel like I'm going to the military, you know, because I'm alone. Chading at them bush, you know. And I could have one that already for pot still, you know. But star. I'm a leaf figure them with in this, but I don't see none. I don't see none in that. But you see what I thought about? You see that? A whole of that tear off with me. Alright. So let's see what I thought about. What me say? Them place are dangerous. Because tree limb can fall at any time. So while me watch out the crab, me have to watch out the tree. All the water you get deep. So your amount of rain will fall. Yeah, when I heard for that, man, I take that chance to the backside. I'll tell me something now, get man. Yeah, I'm a king, you know. One, at two of them do there, one guy. Yeah, I'm a king, Start book off already. Yeah. Start book off. I'm not book off no more. Sorry. Food there. One gone down another roof. So let off one claw and two toe. They never expect me, you know. I love broke off me, man. Big woman crab. Box screw. I love broke off stuff. I more I know. I love broke off stuff. Big woman crab. That is it. Brown, I can't see nothing in there. I don't know crab might be there, you know. See pond over there, so. We're going to say flood out in a dirty frigate in there. But me not chance see a bomb back. See panya. I feel like crooks in this. You know. But when you clear up, it's pretty still. Brown. Buck up on this one night and go drop in there. Trouble. Bombo itu ketangkap. Ini guys. Wah, tahu. No, can't see him. Who's that guy? See me? No, tingnan mo, mismo muna ba? For next one, this is a last one. They really work me out still. Oh boy. I see them one there. No. Yes, then we don't see something. Left a big claw out. You never see that coming. You never see that coming at all. Until I say, but you see beer crab run up and now. To catch the amount of crab I have in my mind, me alone can't there so. You have to have one man I go so, one man there so or something. That type thing. Look one crab over there so. Man like me, you not trust none of them places. You see log and water. When time dry, we go. But like now, but they say me nah go. I continue walk when I walk and they still. Gotcha. Find this one now. You get this. We tell us to go stay there, so I may come. Huh? Your friend they never want you. That is it, people. 14%. That's the video might blurry still, you know, but you know what you rain and you water. Yeah, peeps, me get a few. Yeah. So some mampy and something, but yo, the amount of crab me see me just start walking and look for them. So it amazed me to see so much crab. Remember I said this the first place where I go? The drainage full up. I remember when I come back here, so I don't remember if I did video the part there, but yeah. Water overflow to show you the amount of rain will fall and the amount of rain will beat me. Look, man. That is it. Whole line there so flood out here now. So if me did stay in there, so enough water more than there, you know. So that's for me, you know, I don't bother go no more location. Cause couple get already, you see it. So one buckle of gas oil that's in my car, so from the seat too, you know. From morning I smell gas. And I say, sure, I know nothing. But big up on yourself here. That is it. Crab in a pan. Go in there. At this man me looking crab for. This man but say you never get none. So
Dada, you not for everybody?
Kaka. They wanna love crab, you know, man. This I wanna.
Yeah, we gonna eat a fire crab. No. Yeah, we gonna eat. Yeah, we gonna eat. Yeah, remember we are best friends.
Time for going. I feed the goat with some mango. Come. Come. Right, kid. Step now and sneeze. That's why I kick some. Oh. I don't know how me I get the kid across now. I forgot to fire up. Which part honestness come from now? From book school. Yeah, peeps, we're gonna fall. I get to carry in the one here. But this has something I built when I come back from crab bush in the rain. They have one old light post where I drop down, so I just kick it down and pour a side up, you know. And then I have a cement bag them, a few zinc where they put down. So I just build something where them not get wet. So I have some blocks because you know goat love stone. A mother and a kid over there, so I try to catch a kid but I couldn't catch her. we bring our cross. And so I have a solar light that projected to right at this direction. My room, my window the right there, so can just ease up at night time and look out. If nobody pass, you know, a light will pick them up. I'm not going about that all, so they can keep dry. If anything, we can tie up some feed right here, so. But it rain. I don't want to soak myself again, you know.